哇，hot 啊！这是什么果汁
？What are the penguins?
Is that a baby? He looks like he's wearing winter jacket. Look at that model.
Let me go there like that.
Right here with me. Now keep your eyes on Nelson. Here we go. Diving down. Whoa!
Say hello to Ronald. Whoa! The prototypes of Asian hunters. They are able to stretch a frame right up in mid-air. Alright, let's do that one more time, Ronald. Here he comes.
Everyone, In zoos or parks like this, animals tend to live a lot longer, and they usually do.
Southern Crested Kamakara. Let's do a vertical jump, okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, here we go. Turkey vultures are from the Americas. 6 are the first humans in the world with a finely tuned sense of smell.
And that means if there is a big animal, turkey vulture is the first one on the scene. And other vultures will follow suit, meaning hardwork of ripping apart the top hide of each animal. Amazing flight soaring high at altitudes of up to 8,000 feet. The king vulture reigns over other vultures in the sky. And in pooping, results to rip apart the top hide of the animal, eating chunks of flesh. And look at that menacing walk.
Look at the way you run though.
Oh, just a quick spin.
These birds have never like being in search.
Said of the continent carriers, we would all be in a lot of without vultures. Isn't that right, Dee?
Well, that's right, Sean. But all over the world, we are losing these amazing birds to many reasons.
The crucial role in their social interaction, helping to establish bonds and
Oh, there are mini Leo. So like
May jump. Yeah, we look so dumb. How's the bird paradise so far? Hot. Hot. Yeah, it's really, really hot.
it's always Singapore.
We have 2 sections left and then we're done.
2 sections, okay.
Hey, don't take our uncle.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
Don't lie, it was meh to you, right?
No lah, I really have fun. I really like the show. But I wanted to hold the eagle, but I don't get the chance.
Okay, then rate it out of 10.
7. Earring.